As I step into Muruk Forest, I practice Shinrin Yoku or forest bathing. This journey reveals nature's intricate beauty, from the smallest insects to the towering trees that sustain them. In this quiet world, even the smallest creatures thrive, their lives interwoven with the forest rhythm. I share these experiences with my students, showing them how nature heals and inspires. As I walk away, I feel grounded by the forest calm. Winning this scholarship will enhance my filmmaking skills, allowing me to inspire more people to protect our environment.